Earnin usually blocks users without direct deposit because it relies on payroll deposits to confirm that you have a steady income and an eligible employer. By the end of this, you'll understand whether Earnin can still work without direct deposit, what alternatives actually get approved, and how people bypass the restriction legally using supported income verification methods. First thing to understand is how Earnin verifies eligibility. Earnin doesn't just look at your bank balance. It checks for recurring payroll deposits tied to an employer. That's why accounts without direct deposit often get stuck at the verification stage or rejected completely. If you don't have direct deposit, the first workaround is linking a bank account with consistent income activity. Some users still qualify if their account shows regular deposits from gig work, freelance platforms, or side income. The system looks for patterns over time, not just one-time deposits. Second option is using payroll routing through supported employers or payment services. Some jobs and gig platforms allow you to route earnings through accounts that appear as payroll deposits. If Earnin recognizes those deposits as employer-based income, the account can still become eligible. Another method is using Earnin's alternative verification tools if available in your region. In some cases, the app can verify work schedules or employer information directly instead of relying only on direct deposit history. This depends heavily on whether your employer is already in their system. If none of those options work, there is a limitation you can't bypass. Earnin is built around payroll tracking, so completely cash-based income with no deposit trail usually won't qualify. In that case, switching to apps that use bank transaction analysis instead of employer verification is often more realistic. Another important detail is account stability. Even if you get approved without direct deposit, inconsistent deposits can reduce borrowing limits or cause verification to fail later. The system relies on ongoing income patterns, not just initial approval. To wrap it up, getting Earnin without direct deposit depends on whether your income can still be verified through consistent bank deposits, payroll-like routing, or employer-linked systems. Start by linking your bank account, make sure your deposits are regular and traceable, and check whether your employer or gig platform is already supported by Earnin. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of cash advance apps and paycheck tools.